skin. I name it, soft and strong. I claim it. They drew lines, I erased them. Every scar, I embraced them. High heels, bare feet, both fit me. Loud laugh, deep tears, that's still me. They said too much, I said watch this. Turn every doubt into practice. I don't need no permission, I shine my light. All my flaws, all my beauty, they're burning bright. I found my voice, I'm breaking chains tonight. This heart is mine, this life's unwritten. I'm written. I don't need your approval to feel alive. Every step that I'm taking, I decide. I found my song and I sing it out of sight. This heart is mine, this life's unwritten. I'm written. Mirror, mirror, I see a friend, not a script that I have to bend. Thick thighs, wild hair, that's magic. Love like this, never tragic. I dance bold in my own reflection. Make rules from my imperfections. Every too late that I've been told, I turned it into solid gold. I don't need no permission, I'll shine my light. All my flaws, all my beauty, they're burning bright. I found my voice, I'm breaking chains tonight. This heart is mine, this life's unwritten. I'm written. I don't need your approval to feel alive. Every step that I'm taking, I decide. I found my song and I sing it out of sight. This heart is mine, this life's unwritten. I'm written. Hands up if you feel it, or your heart loud, can you hear it? Every too much, every sit down, we turn that into our crown. Say my name like a victory. Every truth now is setting me free. From my roots to the sky, I rise, I rise, I rise. I don't need no permission.